I'm hungry.
Hi viewers, welcome to Taj Foods. Today we're making chicken masala curry, Taj food style. So without further ado, let's begin. If you like our videos, click the red subscribe button. Next to it, click the bell icon and you'd get notifications for our recipes for free. Don't forget to like, share and comment. So first of all, we'll add the spices to our 1 kg chicken. This consists of 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, pinch of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri Red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now add the spices to the chicken and mix thoroughly. As you can see here, the spices are well mixed into the chicken. Okay, now take a pan and add 1/3 cup of cooking oil. To that, add 1 medium onion diced. And add 1 tablespoon of Whole Garam Masala. Now stir and cook for a minute. After that, add 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. Stir. Now add 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mix that thoroughly into the onions. Then add the chicken. Remember, the chicken is 1 kg. Now cook on medium flame for at least 20 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked.
I'm hungry.
Here we are after 20 minutes. Our chicken is fully cooked. Now we'll add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, which is crushed, into our curry and mix properly. Time to dish out. It looks so tasty and yummy. Now garnish with some coriander and chilli.
I'm hungry. I'm hungry.
This simple chicken masala curry is ready. Can't wait to go and try it.